Nurse sharks are one of the most recognizable and lovable sharks in the warm waters of the Caribbean. By far the most common species of sharks on the island of Cozumel and in many other places. But what makes them so special? Let's use this species as our gateway into understanding sharks. Sharks are a group of species known as elasmobranchs, and they are characterized as cartilaginous fish, meaning they have a skeleton entirely made of cartilage, so no bones. This was a group of fish that dominated the seas from the beginning of the Ordovician until after the Permian mass extinction. This group includes all sharks we know today, but also includes stingrays, whether that's the yellow-spotted stingray, southern stingray, or even our beloved eagle ray. These sharks can be swimming around during the day, but unlike other large sharks who must be continuously swimming to breathe, a process known as ram ventilation, nurse sharks are nocturnal and normally quite sedentary during the day. This is why many of our sightings of them are simply lying in caves. They can do this because they have the ability to do something called buccal pumping, which is a process by which they use the spiracles on top of their heads and the muscles in their cheeks to pull water in and flush it over their gills. Doing so allows them to remain almost completely motionless for hours on end. These sharks have a very recognizable body shape that makes them easily identifiable. They have a flattened head, small eyes, and little barbels under their nose. These barbels and the elasmobranch specific organ known as the ampullae of Lorenzini allow these sharks to feed on many things that they can find in the sand, such as small fish, crabs, sea urchins, and even the occasional stingray. Using the ampullae of Lorenzini, these sharks can actually feel the electromagnetic field that is produced by all living things. It's what allows them to hunt for things that are hidden in the sand and not just lying on top of it. They have an incredible ability to create a suction force that is among some of the highest known in the aquatic vertebrate world. This suction allows them to pull prey species into their mouths from the sand, where they can either chew them up with their small teeth, or if the prey is small enough, just swallow them whole. Sharks come in all different shapes and sizes, yet so many of them are clearly misunderstood and seen as dangerous, when in reality, all they want to do is take naps, eat lobsters, and make baby sharks. How can that be scary?